When I grow up, I will be a painter. Colors here and colors later. Red and blue and yellow too. I'll paint the sky a funny hue. Splash here, splash there, paint is flying everywhere. Mom says wait, but I just grin. Art is fun, let's dive right in. I'll paint a cat, I'll paint a dog. Oops, I painted on the frog. There's paint on me from head to toe. I'm a masterpiece, don't you know? Splash it here, splash it there, paint is flying everywhere. Mom says stop, but I just cheer. Painting's the best job of the year. I'll paint the moon, I'll paint the sun. Making art is so much fun. If I spill, that's okay too. That's what painters always do. Deal. Splash here, splash there, colors swirling through the air. When I grow up, you'll see it's true. A painter's what I'm born to do. Splash it here, splash it there, paint is flying everywhere. Mom says wait, but I just grin. Art is fun, let's dive right in.